with us. Come go hiking.
Go find a place to walk in nature.
Yeah, this is gonna be great. Would you please be safe and careful, lover? Would you be careful?
This is one of the bridges along the trail. I'll show you the river. It's so gorgeous. Nature is some of the best TV that you can watch. Come out here and go fishing. Here's the other direction. So gorgeous. And here is some more of our beautiful journey.
Oh yeah.
A hallway into beauty. And it's a windy, chilly day. We decided we'd still go get our exercise on. We got fun towel jackets. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the view of my exercise today. The gym was closed because in Utah, everything seems to close. So we decided to walk up the canyon on Bridalveil Falls, which is not something that closes. And it is just absolutely gorgeous up here. Some of my Utah low carbers know how many beautiful sights we have in Utah. I always see one of my low carbers that goes out to like all the different parks, Kimmy, and she always has really great pictures of the wild. So I know she'll enjoy stuff like this. And I absolutely love it up here. I've been walking this trail since I was a teen. Me and my aunt used to come up here and we would walk for hours and just talk about all the things in our lives and our interests, and it was really quite the beautiful experience. Still is today. You can see there's still snow up on the mountains. This is the other side. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, and you can see the falls. There's the falls in the background. No, I'm not feeling. Look at all the beautiful, like, so this is when you can't necessarily see the water. There's so many beautiful trees. And in the summer, I'll tell you a funny story. You can walk on these trails, and because it's this hot asphalt, there are snakes that will come and they will want to hang out on the trail and get nice and warm. And if you're walking and talking with your friends, then you will have the opportunity to maybe stand on one of them. And so I was walking with my aunt, we were chatting, I got a little sidetracked and I almost stepped on a snake. I jumped like as high as you could jump in the air, and I did the Matrix and screamed really funny, and she almost peed her pants laughing from my reaction. So there's my funny little story about walking in snakes. I'm terrified of snakes. And so, oh wow, that's gorgeous. That's how it goes. I love the sound of the water rushing by me. So pretty. And this trail goes on forever. You can walk it. They have one next to the lake. I recommend finding a trail near you and walking it, because nothing's better than an outdoor trail. So awesome. Look at that. And you can actually, we have a World War II raft that we blow up and take out on the lake, and we waited till my son gets a little bit older, but we want to take it down this river. And that'd be a fun thing to film if we got a GoPro. Here's me walking, guys, in my towel cape with my Marilyn Monroe shirt. Oh, I left my energy drink somewhere.
I have it.
Oh, you've got it good.
You gave it to me a long time.
Woohoo! Wind in my hair on a beautiful hike up the canyon. There's Johnny.
I'm cold.
He's cold.
I wasn't cold until like 3 minutes ago, but now
He's
I'm
cold.
officially cold. The wind just picked up.
You too!
We both have incredibly cool towel jackets.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is our nature walk today. Gotta get your fitness in. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment and share anything you love. This is Utah's beautiful wildlife. This is what it looks like in Utah, and it is so pretty out here. And it's not far to get to.